Nestled among the elite resorts near Mumbai, this beautiful location faced an unexpected challenge during this monsoon season, a surge of flies, especially around their bakery and kitchen areas. But we had the perfect solution. Introducing the Gumtree Fly Jar, a simple, eco-friendly way to tackle flies without harmful chemicals or pesticides. We installed the Gumtree Fly Jar near the resort's key areas, which worked wonders. In no time, we captured many flies, ensuring a clean park. It's incredibly easy to use and can be reused multiple times. Safe, efficient, and sustainable. Gumtree Fly Jar, keeping spaces clean naturally. No chemicals, no hassle. If you are looking to keep your poultry farms, cattle fields, resorts, hotels, or any other place free from flies, the Gumtree Fly Jar is your perfect solution. Contact us today to learn more and keep your spaces fly-free.